I lost this calla lily before I ever figured out what was really going on. If your plants look like this, your brown tips aren't from the sun or low humidity. The real killer is hiding inside your kitchen faucet. In this video, I'm going to prove it to you and show you a 10-cent kitchen fix that works instantly. Stick around, because the reason nobody talks about this might surprise you. Look at this white crust on the pot. That's not dirt. That's salt, minerals, and chlorine left behind every time you water. Peace Lilies, Calatheas, spider plants, all of them are sensitive to this. To these plants, your tap water is basically liquid salt. Watch this. I'm boiling 1 cup of my own tap water, all the way down. Look what's left behind, that white residue. That's the invisible part. That's what's sitting around your plant's roots right now. Every single time you fill the watering can. Here's proof, not a guess. I use this little meter to test what's actually in my water. Higher numbers mean more junk, salts, and minerals hiding in every drop. Now watch what happens with rainwater. That gap is exactly why your plants are struggling. Comment your city below. I want to see how high your tap water score actually is. Because once you see these fixes, you'll want to start tonight. Same species, same pot, same light, same feeding schedule. This one's had straight tap water for 6 weeks. This one's had filtered water for the same 6 weeks. I didn't touch anything else. That difference you're seeing right now, that's exactly what your water is doing every time you reach for the can. I actually lost a calla lily to this exact problem before I ever figured out what was going on. That's the real reason I started digging into all of this. I didn't want to lose another plant, so I spent months testing every solution I could find. These are the only 3, plus that secret 10-cent fix that actually work. So now you know what's happening. Here's exactly how to undo it starting tomorrow. Fix 1, fill your watering can and leave it open for 24 hours. Chlorine evaporates out naturally. This one costs you nothing. Fix 1 is great because it's free, but if you don't have 24 hours to wait, that 10-cent tablet I mentioned is the ultimate shortcut. We're getting to that in just a second. Fix 2, once a month, take the plant to the sink, run clean water through the soil for a full minute until it drains out the bottom. It's like a detox for your dirt, washing away the salt before it can choke the roots. Watch what comes out the bottom. It's usually yellow or brown. That's the salt leaving the building. I do this myself every single month in my own garden. Fix 3. Next time it rains, set a bucket outside. Rainwater is naturally a little acidic, and plants love that. It's free, and it works better than anything you'll find in a store. And here's what I promised you, the 10-cent fix. Drop 1 plain vitamin C tablet, not the fizzy orange kind, into a gallon of tap water. It neutralizes chlorine and chloramine almost instantly. Aquarium keepers have used this trick for years to make tap water safe for fish in seconds. Almost nobody talks about it for houseplants. 1 tablet, 1 gallon, done. No waiting 24 hours. You don't need anything fancy to save your plants. You just needed to know where to look. Now you do. So tell me, which one of your plants has brown, crispy tips right now? Comment the plant and where you live, and I'll help you figure out your exact fix. If this saved you from losing a plant the way I lost my calla lily, hit subscribe. Next week, I'm testing something even experienced gardeners get wrong, so don't go anywhere.